Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
That's right, and good evening, everybody. Ooh, did you see that sunset tonight? Did you? It was just a gorgeous one. A lot of folks got a picture of it. Take a look at this picture from Cary Longshore. This is a beautiful shot of the sunset tonight with the mountains in the background. Good-looking shot there. And this is the way it looked over in the Bow Mountains tonight as the sun was setting. Doreen Richardson got that one. Just a beautiful night for us. And really, temperatures would have gone up to 60 degrees today. It was a gorgeous day. Right now, we have cooled down a little bit. Here's the way it looks in downtown Billings. Mostly clear skies, 48 degrees. Southwest wind at about 16 miles per hour. Just a beautiful night, but because the winds are now up to 16 and the temperatures below 50, we do now have a wind chill factor of about 42 degrees out there. And as you'll see, our high temp, as we said, 60 degrees. Your normal high 46, the record 70. Back in 1999, the record low was 10 below. Yeah. You get that cold this time of year, and that was back in 1955. And as far as precipitation, nothing new to add to the total, so we're slipping a little bit behind normal for the month. But for the year, we're still way ahead of normal at 1813. And you'll notice here around the current temperatures, basically into the 30s out in the far west, 30s and 40s as you get into the mountains. Central Montana, we're still into the 40s. Back in eastern Montana, 30s and 40s, but boy, was it a warm day today. Check it out. Look at all the places got into the 60s. Jordan, Miles City got up to 61. Billings got to 60. Look at Sheridan, 68 degrees today. All this area through here got into the 50s and 60s. Lewistown was a little bit cooler at 48 degrees, but up on the other side of the mountains over here at Kalispell and Missoula, temperatures there only got into the 30s because they had cloudy skies and some breezy conditions moving in there today. And as you can see, the Doppler radar shows some scattered snow showers moving into that region as well. We also have some light rain moving through this area. This is a little minor weather disturbance that started up in the northwest corner of the state. It's caught up in the jet stream and it is racing across the state tonight. As you can see, here's the jet stream right up here, and it has a little dip in it. It's allowing some of this moisture to also dip down as well. But at the surface, there's this low pressure cell right there and a little surface trough that's caught up on that jet stream. It's sliding across the area tonight. And now tonight and tomorrow, you'll see this other cold front here. That's in Canada. That's getting ready to drop on down. And so you'll see by 6 p.m. on Thursday night, you'll see the moisture just rotating around that low pressure cell there. And it's going to continue to come close to us. And we think by the time Friday morning gets here, the whole thing drops on down into Montana. You'll see scattered rain showers first in Billings, changing to snow showers later on in the morning, and then staying with snow all the way through 6 p.m. on Friday. How much snow are we going to talk about? Well, in Billings, looks like 2.67 inches for us, over 6 inches of Bozeman. Livingston to get a little over 5 inches, 4.5 inches of Butte. Places like Missoula traveling there this weekend. A lot of folks are. It's going to be 3.53 inches of snow there. Up at Great Falls, about 373. If you're going over to Webo, well, not as much snow there, basically under an inch or so in that region. So tonight our temps cool back down into the 20s, 30s, and maybe 15 over West Yellowstone, but mostly clear skies tonight, just still a little breezy. Then tomorrow back to the 40s, some low 50s one more time on Thursday, but then that night, that's when that cold front starts to move through and things change. Tonight, we'll cool down to 36 and partly cloudy with a westerly breeze, 15 to 30 miles per hour. Next 7 days, 52 degrees one more day on Thursday, down to 40 for the high on Friday with an 80% chance for starting off with rain in the morning, turning to snow later in the morning and snow throughout the day on Friday. Then on Saturday, that thing just moves out of here, but we're still looking at cold temperatures, 27 degrees for the high to low that night down to 17. And then we'll get back into the 30s on Sunday. Then 40s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, mostly sunny skies, about 47 degrees as we head into midweek next week. Let's go back to the desk.